Saving with Shay. I'm here for Sprouts. I know. Oh, I haven't done Sprouts in forever. And so I have about 5, 6, 7 deals to share today. I'm just going to take pictures and we'll do a voiceover. And then we'll head home and we'll share all of our numbers. And so if you're new here, duh. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing this lovely face right here, I am Shay. Shay with the pow pow. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure to smash like button. Support your girl. So we're gonna go to Sprouts. This is a newer location for me. This is our second location up here. It's my first time at this store, so we shall see how this goes. I always like going to Sprouts because I feel like the employees are always so nice and so friendly, and they're always so helpful. And so I'm hoping to have the same experience today. I do have a couple field agent deals to do, or jobs to do today as well while I'm out. And so without further ado, we're going to head in, see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab. If you want to see what you grab, you already know what to do. Hit the like button. And yes, keep on watching. All right, y'all, listen, this is the deal. This is the deal that got me out the house this morning. It's on the Birdman Falcon protein powder. Now they're on sale, clearance, reduced price, markdown, manager special, whatever. For $24.99. They're normally $50. And we happen to have a digital on the app for $25 as well. The great thing about that is that we have one on each flavor. So you want to grab one of each. You'll use that digital, making them absolutely free. Now, I tried doing them together. It didn't work. I had to do them separately. And I did do this deal on both of my Sprout accounts, making $200 worth of protein powder absolutely free. I did pay tax, which was about $2 for each one. Okay, so these next several deals, the last of the deals, they're all Social Nature deals. I was checking Social Nature. I was checking WeStock. For any free offers, this is on the Daya mac and cheese. It's priced at $3. You'll get that back through Social Nature, making it absolutely free. All right, so next up is the Goodles mac and cheese cup. This deal you can also do at Walmart as well. We're going to grab it here since we're at Sprouts. It's priced at $3 for one. You'll get that back on Social Nature, making this, yes, you guessed it, absolutely free. All right, next up is the Manuka honey drops. These are priced at $7.99. And yes, we're getting that back through Social Nature and making this absolutely free. All right, next up is the Brightful Sleep. It's a sleep aid. I found this on the in that new here section. It's priced, it says $18.99, but it did scan for $17.99. And then you're going to get that back through Social Nature, making it absolutely free. All right, y'all. So these were the 2 items that I could not find at my store today. So definitely check your area and see if you can find any of these awesome deals. If you do, let me know in the comments. And with that being said, I will see you at home for the final breakdown. Y'all. So here is my little Sprouts haul for today. I went ahead and did the protein on both my Sprout accounts. Now, when I did it with everything all together, well, it was 1 chocolate, 1 vanilla, and the other 4 items, it didn't look like the digital was working. So we voided the protein powder off, and I did each one separately, and it worked perfect. So I went ahead and grabbed another set for my other cart, like I said. But this worked out really, really good. These proteins are normally like, I think $50, and they're half off. And then again, with that digital taking off the price, it makes like $200 worth of protein powder absolutely free. I mean, all you pay was a sales tax, which I think was like $2 for each one, which is not bad. Now, I also got the all-in bars. I thought it was buy 1 box, get it free, but it was buy 1 bar, but it had a picture of the box, which threw me off. And so I only got back $2.99. So that is definitely going back, which will probably be tomorrow. So that's the only thing that didn't work out for me. Let me show you my receipts. I only had a handful. This was the larger receipt. And see, we ended up voiding off the the protein powder. And then I have to take back the all-in bars, which were $11.99. And then the other 4 receipts are identical, with the digital coming off. All these are the same. And then that one. All right, so I thought that was a really good deal. I wanted to get out and get that deal before my store was completely out. And like I said, we have 2 Sprouts up here now, which is really cool. And the newer one is closest to me, and it's towards like Target, and I can do like field agent jobs when I go down there, and Aldi as well. And so I'm not going to include any of the field agent jobs with this haul. I'll push those into my Walmart haul. Now for this, I did cash out for PayPal, which is the 5% that you get towards your category that you choose each month. Mine's is always grocery, and I haven't been cashing that out lately because I've been having some really awesome money makers, and so I've been kind of low-key saving it. And so I saved it for this haul because my tax for this stuff here was like $11, and so I cashed out the PayPal and put it towards this haul here, which is the only reason why it's making this haul a moneymaker. Otherwise, it would just be free. And then, of course, it would be an $11 cost when you include tax. All right, so let me run you through my numbers really quick. So everything that you see here retails $131.94. Again, we had 4 digitals for the protein powder, which took off $99.96. It brought the out-of-pocket down to $31.98, which was just the cost of the items on top. And then I got back $31.98 from Social Nature, and I cashed out $35.35 from PayPal. So a total of $67.33 back makes this a $35.35 money maker, which is just what I cashed out for PayPal. Now, if I include the tax, which is $11.03, it then makes this a $24.32 money maker, which is still really cool. And if you guys ask me about Social Nature, when you first submit your receipt, it does say processing or pending 24 to 48 hours. I would say give it like 10 minutes, and then it'll show what you're going to be getting back. You guys, I hope that this protein powder is good. I really do, because if it is, this would be so worth it. I want to say it's like 24 grams of protein and like 120 calories, which is actually pretty low for a protein powder. I want to say 20 serving sizes per container, which is pretty good. And so I hope it's good. Y'all listen. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button on your way out the door. But I want to see a bird in the comments if you made it to the end, and I will see you in the next video.